Good morning, my wonderful people. Yo, somebody sent me that video here with Kman 6 to blood clot and Jano. Yo, me I watch it and me not even know what for blog about this bumbo clot. Yo, me come up to couple conclusions about some of them boy yeah. Like even a boy yeah. Kman 6. And like I said, me not even know if to talk about, but me I go talk about that pussy. Straight up. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Now, somebody sent me that video here with Kman 6 to blood clot. And me I tell you the honest truth. Me I watch a video and the more me I watch a video, the more me I get pissed off. Cause number one, the youth here, him nah say nothing that's relevant. Him a diss Prezi, say fuck Prezi, I won't mean it, you know. And then what really more shocking to me is the people them in the Instagram live, some of the stuff them a talk about. Oh yeah, bad man this, bad man that. And like them just say that youth are one real tomato dog.
Them never kill nobody yet. They pursue with them gal when the six jump out, so we call it the Romeo and Juliet. So we fucking dark like we live in Igon Greenland, man, ready and no fucking peace. Greenland man 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 ready and no fucking peace. Them don't like we mark of the beats. Everything run out, thumb clip release.
Yo, me have to shake my blood clot head. Because now him go on IG and him and him hungry friend them dead it. Cause me see him Black Rain thing. When him do the tune, it get a whole heap of hits. So me don't know where the money there, where them youth here make. But the whole of them, him and him little idiot friend them look hungry. The more me listen to youth here, the more me see say him illiterate. Most of the youth them where come out of Trinidad in the music business illiterate, including Prince Swanee. Because the man them verbiage is like you talk to a blood clot rock straight up. I am convinced that boy are retarded. Yo, me I play a little bit more of that IG video yeah, where the pum pum me make and then just turn it off. Because the more I watch it, the more me I get upset. I feel like them take with reggae music and them a destroy it. The man them at Trinidad, them not inclusive. They'll say they'll work with you and then they jump ship and leave you alone, holding the bag. Couple people do that to me in the music thing. I'ma just be honest. The man them at Trinidad, them is loyal as far as they can throw a stone. You don't have no real man down at that bumbo clot.
Them beg for please with them Jesus peace. 6 degrees. The place get hot like whiskey leaf. Head and dead left in the disbelief. Straight head shot now miss your wave. I said we just warm up on them car police. Shot now done and we do retreat. I agree though. 6 from the place with the KO seat and if it is J man you will get delayed. Brother we hide and seek. JCT in creepy.
That boy yo, him fully retarded. Now, look where reggae music gone to dog and dancehall. you have them pussy hole down in a Trinidad star. You understand? Let me tell you, you see, none of them artists, most of them, are big pussy. I'm gonna start lick out on them. All of them. You understand? Look how retarded that pussy is. Him take with reggae music and look how the man them are destroyed. And me I tell you another thing. Them do not like Jamaicans in Trinidad. Trinidad are the only country where kill the most Jamaicans. And Jamaicans have to know that. I'ma just be honest, yo. The artist them is a set of pussy. Yo, that video yeah, me not even know what make me do that blood clot video yeah. But yo, Kman 6 is fucking fully retarded. And that boy there is a walking dead. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video, yo.